Hello, hello. Today, let's talk about the advantages and facts about our balcony solar power system. This device, this combination, this system, this is a small photovoltaic system for generating electrical power. It consists of one or more solar modules, an inverter, a low voltage connection cable, and a plug for connecting to the final circuit in the network of an end consumer like us. The balcony power plants are the future of sustainable energy supply. Their compact design combines ecological responsibility, economic efficiency, and a high flexibility in once. This is an easy care handling and an adaptability makes them a popular choice for energy solutions. Let's discover the many advantages of a balcony power plant. The installation is easy peasy. It does not require an electrician or professionals. They are a wise choice for a budget. The balcony power plants score with their uncomplicated installation process and versatile mounting options. Even if we consider ourselves at a beginner in craftsmanship, the installation of that plug-in solar system is straightforward and easy to master. Of course, you can see my videos on my channel about the installation process. Their model design and the well-thatched out attachment system allows a smooth and flexible placement, whether on the balcony grid, directly on the house wall, on slopey roofs, on flat roofs, or even in the garden. It's of course, we can handle this easy in first steps which are not so complicated. Really. Because this is easy steps, we only have to tighten, I think, 5 screws each, and then we plug them into position. And after this, job's done. We are ready for harvesting. Many solar systems are not only environmentally friendly, but also a true saving miracle. The initial investment is low compared to the conventional solar system and pays for itself quickly. Usually within just over 1 up to 2 years, if we take into an account of the current electricity prices. From this point, after this 1 or 2 years, the practically have a free power source directly on our balcony or terrace. This means that after the amortization phase, every kilowatt hour generated will protect our wallet and make sure that we are more independent of rising electricity prices. With such a tempting entry price and the prospect of a long-term savings, the decisions for mini solar systems is really clear, of course. The sustainability begins in the here and now. As a renewable energy source, mini solar systems use the clean power of the sun and make an important contribution to climate protection. In addition, they are not only resource saving but also economically viable. Within just over 1 or 2 years, they have recognized the energy needed for that production too. That means balcony power plants are not only a sustainable but also environment friendly investment in our future, in our entire future. Because the mini solar systems offers not only a good source of energy, but only it gives us the adaptivity and flexibility in a modern lifestyle way. Their compact size and easy installation allows homeowners to disassemble them without much effort and easily reposition them into event of a move or domestic changes. Whether we want to move, redesign our home, or simply charge and change the location of the system with these compact solar power plants, the construction, the conversion, and the daily operations can be easily and uncomplicated even without an electrician or a skilled personnel too. That means the balcony power systems are a symbol of freedom. They allow us to produce our own electricity directly on the site and thus reduce our dependence on the public power grid and the fluctuations energy prices. By covering parts of our daily energy needs for ourselves, we set an example of initiative and environmental awareness while reducing our electricity bill at the same time. This is a step forward to a self-determined and a sustainable energy future. Thanks for watching. Yeah, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and start harvesting. So soon. Soon.